Hello, fellow gardeners. Are you dreaming of harvesting fresh, organic broccoli right from your patio or balcony? Growing your own nutrient-rich vegetables is incredibly rewarding, and broccoli is a fantastic choice for home and urban gardeners. Today, we're diving deep into how to successfully grow organic broccoli from seed in containers. This comprehensive guide will walk you through every step, ensuring you get a bountiful harvest even in limited spaces. We'll cover everything from choosing the right seeds to harvesting your delicious florets. Get ready to transform your small space into a productive organic broccoli patch. Selecting the right broccoli variety is key to container gardening success. Look for compact or early maturing types that thrive in pots. Popular choices include DeSico, Waltham 29, and Calabrese. These varieties are known for producing good central heads and often offer side shoots for extended harvests. Always opt for organic broccoli seeds to ensure your harvest is free from synthetic pesticides and GMOs. Check the seed packet for maturity dates and specific growing instructions, as these can vary between varieties. Choosing the right seed sets the foundation for healthy plants. Before you begin, gather all your necessary supplies. You'll need containers, a high-quality potting mix, organic broccoli seeds, and a few basic tools. Having everything ready makes the planting process smooth and enjoyable. For containers, choose pots that are at least 5 gallons or 19 liters in size, with good drainage holes. Fabric grow bags are excellent as they promote air pruning and prevent root circling. A premium organic potting mix specifically formulated for vegetables is essential for providing the right nutrients and drainage. Starting your broccoli seeds indoors gives them a head start and protects delicate seedlings from harsh outdoor conditions. Begin this process about 6 to 8 weeks before your last anticipated frost date. This timing ensures your plants are strong enough for transplanting. Use a sterile seed starting mix in trays or small pots. Plant your organic broccoli seeds about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep, spacing them 1 inch or 2 apart. Gently water the soil to keep it consistently moist, but never waterlogged, to encourage germination. Maintain a consistent temperature between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal germination. Once seedlings emerge, provide them with plenty of light. A grow light set for 14 to 16 hours a day is ideal for preventing leggy growth. When true leaves appear, thin your seedlings to the strongest ones, leaving about 2-3 inches between them. Hardening off is a critical step that prepares your young broccoli plants for the outdoor environment. This gradual process helps them adapt to sunlight, wind, and temperature fluctuations, reducing transplant shock. Skipping this step can severely stress your plants. Over a period of 7 to 10 days, slowly introduce your seedlings to outdoor conditions. Start by placing them in a shaded, sheltered spot for a few hours each day, gradually increasing their exposure to direct sunlight and wind. Bring them indoors if temperatures drop significantly. Once your broccoli seedlings are 4 to 6 inches tall and have been properly hardened off, they are ready for their final containers. This usually coincides with the last frost date passing in your region. Ensure your chosen containers are clean and have adequate drainage. Fill your 5-gallon or larger containers with your organic potting mix, leaving about 1 inch or 2 from the rim. Carefully remove each seedling from its starter pot, disturbing the roots as little as possible. Plant 1 broccoli seedling per container at the same depth it was growing previously. Gently firm the soil around the base of each plant and water thoroughly immediately after transplanting. This helps settle the soil and provides essential moisture to the roots. Proper transplanting ensures a smooth transition for your growing broccoli. Consistent care is vital for healthy, productive container broccoli plants. Broccoli thrives in full sun, requiring at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Position your containers in the sunniest spot available to maximize growth and head development. Watering is crucial, especially for container plants, which dry out faster than in-ground gardens. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Check the soil moisture daily by feeling the top inch. If it's dry, it's time to water. Avoid overhead watering to prevent fungal diseases. Fertilize your organic broccoli plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced organic liquid fertilizer. Look for formulations specifically designed for vegetables. This provides the necessary nutrients for strong growth and robust head formation. Organic pest and disease management is essential for a healthy broccoli harvest. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of trouble. Common pests include cabbage worms, aphids, and flea beetles. Early detection makes control much easier. For cabbage worms, hand-picking them off the leaves is effective. Aphids can be dislodged with a strong spray of water or treated with organic insecticidal soap. For flea beetles, row covers can provide a physical barrier. Maintaining good air circulation and avoiding overwatering helps prevent fungal diseases. Knowing when and how to harvest your broccoli ensures the best flavor and encourages further production. Broccoli is typically ready for harvest when the central head is firm and tight, with small green florets. Don't wait for the florets to start yellowing or flowering, as this indicates they are past their prime. To harvest, use a sharp knife to cut the central head about 4 to 6 inches below the head, leaving some stem and leaves on the plant. This encourages the plant to produce smaller side shoots, extending your harvest period. Continue to water and fertilize after the main harvest to promote these secondary florets. Congratulations! You've successfully grown organic broccoli from seed in containers. There's nothing quite like the taste of fresh, homegrown vegetables. Your hard work has paid off, and now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor.